What's up, everybody? Welcome to Agelikewine Fitness Channel. Today we are going to do a new series called Ground Up Pickleball. You know what that means? We're going to start from the ground and work your way up. At this point, I have 2 years in on pickleball. I've had an injured calf, a few other injuries, crashed into a wall, hurt my shoulder, all the pickleball things that everybody's done. But we're going to start to try and keep you guys from getting injured. The most important thing about pickleball is going to be your footwear. So here we go. I have some examples of different footwear. I've tried a lot of different shoes. There's a lot of things to consider. Durability, how they fit your foot, how they protect your foot, how they support you, how they have lateral stability. And we're going to go through some shoes here. We have my Asics. Very good shoe. If you check out the tread design, these are very tennis specific shoes. We have these Selkirks that I've tested quite a bit. These are pickleball specific shoes. And what you're going to notice here, I'm going to come in. This part of the shoe right here, the outer part of the shoe, it is so important to have this extra little lateral support on your foot. It doesn't look like a whole lot. I'm going to hold up a regular tennis shoe and show you the difference. So one of the main differences between a pickleball shoe and a runner, one is this little bit here that gives you support for your lateral movements, and the other is this right here that keeps your foot in the shoe, as opposed to a running shoe that's very floppy. Your foot can roll over the edge. That's where you hurt your ankle. That's where you tear your Achilles tendon. That is where you tear your calf. This right here. Do not want to use running shoes while playing pickleball. Make sure you get out there, get yourself a tennis shoe. You can use a pickleball specific shoe. You can use a tennis shoe. I've also tested and really liked the Prince style shoes. I have a very wide foot. These are not pickleball specific, but they're a very good court shoe. And they give you this nice extra tread on the inside, so when you're dragging your feet, these actually, you get a fair bit of wear out of the Prince shoes. But I'm going to show you my favorite shoes. These right here, the GT Academy Nike shoes. This really wide toe box gives you so much lateral support and grip. These shoes have been phenomenal. And what I really like is the support back here by your Achilles tendon is just nice and soft. Nothing digs into your foot. They're just so comfortable. They're so supportive. These right here, hands down, I've tested about 10 different types of shoes. These hands down are my favorite pair. So please get yourself some tennis shoes or pickleball shoes and prevent those injuries. So join us again in lesson number 2 for Ground Up Pickleball next week. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.